Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers and will continue to do so in the future. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.